welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about my struggles that I have to face each and every day when it comes to my Asian lashes. And by that I mean basically trying to figure out a way how to keep my lashes lifted, curled, sky high, just looking nice, beautiful, and pretty. I mean, thank goodness for extensions, like, you know, fake lash extensions, falsies, fake lashes, individual fake lashes. Thank goodness for fake lashes, right? But, you know, I feel like for 2019, I kind of want to not stay away from falsies, but try to really embrace my natural lashes more. But I still want them to look nice, lifted, voluminous, you know, curled, all that good jazz. So I feel like I found the perfect tool that helps with Asian lashes. And I say Asian lashes because, number one, me, Asian, Korean, you know? Okay, so I tried it on myself. I'm Asian, so Asian lashes. And two, this tool is made from an Asian country, so I'm taking a wild guess. Maybe they made this product with Asian people in mind. I don't know. Alright, so just a guess. So, if you're curious about this tool, then stick around. So, the tool I'm talking about are lash curlers. And as you guys can see, I have quite a number of lash curlers kind of bunched up in my hand right now. I have all this, but in this pile of lash curlers is one specific lash curler that I think is truly amazing. So the lash curler I'm talking about that I'm honestly loving is the Shiseido lash curler. Alright, so first of all, let me just get this out of the way. This is quite an expensive lash curler. I mean, all the other lash curlers I bought are like, you know, maybe $1 or $7. Like, you know, it's like a relatively more affordable lash curler. But the Shiseido one is $22 plus tax. So for a lash curler, it is kind of expensive. But then again, it is Shiseido, so it's kind of expected. Honestly, at first, I wasn't going to buy this just because I'm like, it's just a lash curler. Does it make that big of a difference? I just couldn't really fathom thinking a lash curler can make that big of a difference. But gotta eat my words because I am loving this and it's amazing. So let's just first of all tell you my experience. When I use this, I notice my lashes, they curl very nicely. It just doesn't look like that square bent shape, if you know what I mean. Some lash curlers give you that weird like bendy shape, which is, I guess if that's what you like, then hey, do that, do you. But for me personally, I don't really like that at all. So I like it when it's like nice and curled and lifted. So it does that for me. Number two, my lashes aren't really that long, to be quite honest. So even with my short lashes, it's able to capture all my lashes and lift them up nicely. And lift them up in a way where it's actually really noticeable. I mean, you see my lashes lifted up. I mean, that's like, hey, I see it in the mirror. I see it. My lashes are like from this sky high, heaven, reaching the sky. It's amazing. Another thing that I noticed when using this is after I curl my lashes and then I put on my mascara, which by the way, lately I've been using the Tarte Light Caramel Lashes mascara. So I want to say I'm pretty sure the mascara also plays a little bit of part in it. But the base of your lashes, like the foundation of why your lashes stay lifted, is because of your lash curler. That's what I think. So having a good lash curler is important. Anyway, I just thought I'd tell you guys which mascara I'm using. So again, I'm using the Tarte Light Caramel Lashes mascara. Alright, so that's what I'm using currently. So back to what I was saying, the Shiseido lash curler, after I use it and I go about my day, you know, after I put on my mascara, I go to work or go out to eat, blah, 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 I come back and I see in the mirror that my lashes are still lifted, still curled, and they're not drooping down. They haven't lost their, you know, their mojo or whatever you want to call it. They still look good. They still look good. So that's another big plus. Alright, so I want to show you guys a comparison between the Shiseido lash curler and just a really popular beauty brand called Maybelline. I'm sure everyone has heard of it, Maybelline, you know. So, I mean, I love them. So, We have Maybelline right here, and we have Shiseido right here. So let's compare them. Alright, so right off the bat, besides the fact that the colors are different, I mean, the Shiseido one is a much more darker color, and the Maybelline is a, you know, silver color. Besides that, right away, I can see that the curvature, you know, the curvature of the lash curler is completely different. So let me show you guys what I mean. The Shiseido lash curler does have a nice curve to it, but at the same time, it's a little bit more on the flatter side. It's not as curved. It's a little bit more flatter. Whereas the Maybelline lash curler, the curvature of the Maybelline one is a lot more curved. It's a lot more, you know, rounded, if you will. It's not as flat as the Shiseido one. And just to show you guys a side-by-side comparison so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. Do you guys notice how much more curved and rounded the Maybelline lash curler is? Yeah, so if you have a nice, you know, I guess rounded set of eyes, I don't even know how to explain it, but if your eyes fit nice and snugly in the Maybelline one, hey, if it works for you, use it, and it's great, use it, you know what I mean? But I noticed my eyes are meant for a little bit more of a rounded, but at the same time, a tad bit more flatter surface, like Shiseido lash curler shape, just kind of, it fits nicely on the shape of my eyes, and it therefore grabs my lashes and pretty much grabs all my lashes nicely, hugs them nicely, lifts them beautifully. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys the two different, like, I guess you would call it like the different curvature of the lash curler. I don't know, but you saw what I meant. Another great thing about this Shiseido lash curler is it's very easy to maneuver. You don't have to put basically any effort to rotate the hinges. They're nice and loose in a sense where it's not too difficult to use. So that I do like. And from my experience, none of my lashes or my skin or any of it has been caught in the Shiseido lash curler, which is amazing. I also noticed the cushion on the Shiseido lash curler, it goes from edge to edge. I know some lash curlers, they don't really cover the entire like surface area, or like it doesn't go from edge to edge. Just noticing those small little details are very important. Alright, so once again, I know the Shiseido lash curler isn't really, you know, like drugstore price. Like, it's not like $7 or $10. It's $22 again, but I feel like personally I am very happy that I purchased this and got it. It does a beautiful job curling my lashes. Yeah, so ever since I got the Shiseido lash curler, I love it. I use it all the time. I don't even use any of the other lash curlers that I have because, to be quite frank, they don't really work for me. I mean, they work, but it doesn't work as well, as good as this Shiseido lash curler. That's just my own personal experience, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my Shiseido lash curler review. So yeah, this is my 2018/2019 Holy Grail. I mean, this is an amazing product. I do recommend it. I get it, it's not like, you know, the most affordable thing in the world, but I feel like if you find a product that really works and you have to spend a couple more bucks on it, why not? You know, it works, so why not get it? Why buy stuff that's cheaper but it's not going to work for you? But if any of these products do work for you, get them. If it works for you, get it and use it. Hey, but for me, this works. It's amazing. So yeah, that is pretty much a wrap. So I want to know down below in the comments if you guys have used the Shiseido lash curler, or if you use any other lash curler that you truly highly recommend. Would you buy this lash curler? I mean, would you spend $22 plus tax to get this? Do you recommend it if you do use it? I mean, have you used it and you didn't like it? Let me know down below. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. So don't forget to like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join the Kwak fam, follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that social platform. Links are down below, and that's it guys. Alright, I hope you guys have a good one. Bye!